It was damn hurtful at the start, damn hurtful. Like मुंह पे कॉल कट होता है पहली बार तो रियलिटी हिट करती है क्या कर रहे हैं अपन.
How GCC has influenced or supported you in your journey?
Okay, so GCC has been completely supportive. कि अरे जा जा कर opportunities देना. Recently I was part of Commerce Cliff. तो वो लीडरशिप पोजीशन की मेरे को रोल देना कि हाँ पूरा कर ये वाला चीज़. तो it's been wonderful.
And you never thought of joining your family business at any point of time? Hi everyone, welcome to the yet another episode of GCC podcast. Today we have with us Apurva Vijay, who is our student of BB Entrepreneurship, and she is also a startup founder of Miraya Jewels, which is into precious stone jewelry. Welcome, Apurva.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here.
You're most welcome. Apurva, so how did you chose entrepreneurship as your specialization when you first time came out of your class 12?
Okay, so the journey starts in 11th class. So back in 11th class, I launched two Etsy stores of gemstones and jewelry. And the whole process of starting something from scratch and building that up on your own just made me fall in love with entrepreneurship. And that's when I knew that I have to follow this path.
Wonderful. So, did you work on any startup idea or any project after you took your admissions? Did this thing started with a prototype or a simple idea, or you were full fledged? You had in your mind that where you want to go.
To be honest, I didn't have a plan that I will be doing this, that, or something like that. But one thing I was sure that in this 3 years journey, I have to learn and grow. Like I have to push my limits, and that's when I've like done literally multiple of events. And I was also part of the student council of GCC, which has also pushed me really. Like I was a very introvert and shy kid. You must have remembered me as a shy kid, but now I'm like pretty confident to talk to anyone. So events and startups, and I've done it.
Yeah, that I remember. In your first year, you used to participate in all the events which happened,
Yeah.
even the events which were outside the college. So you were very excited and enthusiastic, and I think that helped to build your personality. Which you are saying that you were a shy kid, and
Yeah,
then it helped
definitely.
you to become an extrovert. So yeah, that plays a very important role. Tell me, Apurva, anything? Did you had any backup plan? What if my startup failed? What if I am not able to do anything in entrepreneurship? So did you have this thing in mind that what will be my plan B if my plan A fails?
So not exactly a backup plan, but like if I'm doing an internship at a place, so I used to take out at least 1 to 2 hours to learn something else out, completely different from what I'm doing full time. So like if I'm doing an internship at Thai Global and my work is cold calling, so okay, so I'm improving my communication at there, and at the same time at night or something, I would have to handle the e-commerce part. So parallel paths you can say. So I used to follow that.
Mhm. Wonderful. You must have faced a lot of rejections as well when you have your startups. So how did you handle that?
In the startup phase, like talking to the clients and all, I used to handle it online. So the rejections affected me, but not that much. But the interesting part comes up when I was doing my internship at Thai Global. So as a volunteer, you have to do everything, like event management to cold calling to XYZ things. The interesting part of the cold calling was like it was damn hurtful at the start, damn hurtful. Like मुंह पे कॉल कट होता है पहली
Right.
बार तो रियलिटी हिट करती है क्या कर रहे हैं अपन.
Right.
And that cold calling daily, like 20 days daily cold calling has really improved me in communication, and also not taking no as personal. On the other hand, taking it as ki how can I improve. So I should know why I got a no. Am I being too indecisive, or what is it that making it no? So yeah, it improved me.
And that helps you to handle different type of people as well. So
Yeah.
every call gives you a different perspective, different experience, that what kind of people are there and how to handle each different type of personalities.
Definitely.
Apurva, you come from a business, family business background
Yeah.
as well. Did that help you?
Yeah, it helped me.
It helped you, yeah.
From like I can remember, I've always seen in the house talking. topics about business कि यार आज ये profit हुआ ये
Mhm.
loss हुआ, and being in that family business background really just excites you about कि when you will be able to handle this on things. So yeah, it's also contributed to it.
And you never thought of joining your family business at any point of time?
I joined like 11, 12.
Okay.
I was doing online. My father has a typical business, so it's completely offline. And so I started in 11 online and internationally. So I was part of the family business. It's just that ki I thought ki let's explore other things also and learn more things.
Mhm.
Like in family business, one thing I've seen is कि you get into that comfort zone. कि ठीक है पापा का बिजनेस है,
True.
एक दिन नहीं गए तो क्या हो जाएगा।
Hmm.
बट यही अगर तुम कहीं और काम कर रहे होते हो तो एक दिन छुट्टी लेने के लिए यू हैव टू अप्लाई 1 week बिफोर, एंड
Right.
दैट टीचेस यू डिसिप्लिन एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स।
Right. So did you tried internships in other than your family business firm, or you always had handled inside the family business only?
नो आई डिड टाई ग्लोबल।
So Apurva, now you are in your final semester of completing your BBA entrepreneurship program. How have you experienced that mindset shift after completing this course?
वन थिंग विच हैज़ रियली चेंज्ड इन मी इज़ कि पहले आई यूज्ड टू थिंक यार मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, ठीक है? इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट, नॉट एबल टू टेक पार्ट इन इवेंट्स और एनीथिंग थिंग, तो यार ठीक है ना, सब परफेक्ट तो नहीं होते। मैं इस चीज़ों में अच्छी हूँ, मैं भाई आर्ट में अच्छी हूँ, मैं इसमें अच्छी हूँ, मैं इसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ। बट आफ्टर जीसी फर्स्ट बुक वाज़ दिस कि यार अपने को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। अपने ही हाथ में है कि हम कैसे बनते हैं। एंड इसका एक सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुझे हिट किया था, एंड थैंक यू फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, सेकंड ईयर में आई गॉट अ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक YLP सेशन ऑफ कैनवा एज अ गेस्ट मेंटर, एंड द अमेजिंग पार्ट इज इन फर्स्ट ईयर आई यूज्ड टू रन अवे फ्रॉम YLP कि यार बोलना पड़ेगा, कैसे बोलूँगी? लाइक कहते हैं ना हैंडशेक्स और ऐसा एकदम हार्ट बीट तेज वैसा सिचुएशन होता
So
था।
YLP is the young leadership program which you are talking
हाँ, या
about.
तो वो जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, वन फनी पार्ट, इससे 2 दिन पहले तक कुछ प्रिपेयर नहीं था। लाइक मेरे साथ में जो था वो ही वाज़ बिज़ी, तो हम प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाए थे। एंड मी बीइंग मी, मेरे को ऐसा रन वाला आ रहा था कि कैसे भागूँ इस सिचुएशन से। एक बार को आई वाज़ ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू मैसेज यू कि मैम स्टेयर्स से गिर गई हूँ। आई कांट कम टू टेक द YLP सेशन। बट कैसे-तैसे करा कि नहीं अप्पू, करना है चेंज, करना है, एंड just some self talk, and the session went so amazing। मतलब
Yes.
जितने बच्चे थे, लाइक अभी भी उनसे बात होता है एंड ऑल, वो मोमेंट एक्चुअल में लाइफ चेंजिंग था मेरे लिए। मतलब उस मोमेंट तक मुझे लगता था यार मैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग नहीं कर सकती, और उसके बाद से लगा कि यार आई जस्ट नीड प्रैक्टिस, लिटिल पुश एंड आई कैन डू इट।
Wonderful. So, what advice would you like to give to the students who wanted to start their entrepreneurship journey with a entrepreneurial college?
Okay, so one advice from personal experience I would love to give is don't run after perfect opportunities or perfect moments. Like, टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई फील लाइक कि अगर मैं परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज उसके पीछे नहीं भागती तो मैं और एक्सपीरियंस और बेटर ग्रोथ कर पाती। बट कहीं ना कहीं आई यूज टू लुक एट कि यार इसमें ये परफेक्ट नहीं है तो आई शुडंट डू दिस एंड ऑल, विच आई रिग्रेट। तो डोंट रन आफ्टर परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज। कॉलेज का टाइम है, सब सीखने पे लगो एंड जस्ट ग्रो। एंड एक पर्सनल एक और एडवाइस, कॉलेज के टाइम पे ऐसा मानते हैं कि यार फ्रेंड सर्कल होना चाहिए, पार्टी करनी चाहिए, विच काइंड ऑफ आई वाज आल्सो इनटू लाइक सेकंड ईयर। बट फिर एक हिट मिला कि यार इस सब चीज़ों में लग जाते हो तो फिर ग्रोथ कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाती है। कॉलेज का टाइम है दोस्त बनाने का, अच्छे दोस्त बनाओ, बट इट्स अ लाइफ चेंजिंग टाइम ऑल्सो। जस्ट completely focus on your career.
How GCC has influenced or supported you in your journey?
Okay, so GCC has been completely supportive, and I have a type of person like in the initial in the first year majorly that I needed a little push. ठीक है, अगर मेरे को स्टेज पे जाना है तो जैसे आपका या किसी का एक पुश चाहिए था कि अरे जा जा कर कर कर, एंड GCC हैज लाइक लिटरली गिवन मी दैट पुश एंड एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देना कि ये वाला इवेंट है, ये है। जैसे रिसेंटली आई वाज़ पार्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स क्लिफ, तो वो लीडरशिप पोजीशन की मेरे को रोल देना कि हाँ, ब्रो कर ये वाला चीज़, तो इट्स बीन वंडरफुल।
All right. Thank you, Apurva, for giving your time and coming for this podcast.
थैंक यू
We
सो
really
मच।
enjoyed a lot. Thank you.